When my son Nikita was born, I picked up a camera because I wanted to capture every little moment of his childhood. But like most parents, I didn't edit my photos, simply because I didn't know how. So I stored hundreds of photos, some I liked, others not so much. But even the photos I was happy with never felt as good as the ones I saw on YouTube or Instagram from professional photographers. That's when I realized something important. Most of the photos from professional photographers were carefully edited. And once I started learning editing in Lightroom, my own photos completely changed. With the right workflow in Lightroom and Photoshop, an ordinary snapshot can become a photo you'll be proud to print, frame, and share with your friends and family. And the best part is that learning to edit in Lightroom isn't hard at all. That's why I created this Lightroom photo editing course for parents. Inside, I'll guide you through 15 real family photos, each with different challenges like photos that are too dark, overexposed, or have distracting elements. And here's the good news. The process that I use is very similar from one photo to another, which means that even after just 2 or 3 lessons, you will already feel confident enough to start editing your own photos. The 15 different examples simply give you variety so you'll know how to handle the most common problems. I've also included the original raw files so you can follow along with me step by step. And if you ever get stuck, you can reach out to me directly. I reply quickly and I'll personally help you through. So, if you ever wished your family photos could look as beautiful as the moments they capture, this course is for you. Enroll today and start turning your everyday snapshots into memories your family will treasure forever.